Okay, now we're going to take the pot and finish up the chicken. Christopher, you think you can help me carry it?
Yeah, she's right here. Hang on, I'll get her. Sam, you're there.
Alright.
Oh, man, I put her down and you got...
Hello? Hi. I'm getting ready to go pluck a chicken. Yeah. Pluck a chicken? No. Well, yeah, I'm gonna, we just butchered it. Sherry and Sean are still here. We just butchered it. And, now I'm gonna go clean it and then we can freeze it and have at least one done and cooked when you're up here. Frankie! And, Chris is gonna bond with you, some male bonding carnage. He wants you and him to butcher one when you come up too. Yeah. I wanna get 2 of those, but this one is wet. So, I burned myself the other day with a wet one, pulling something out of the oven.
The other one? There's 2 of them.
I'll go get a couple towels. We gotta take a big pot of boiling water outside.
She was ready.
I know. Here she comes. I think we're all set for right now. Okay guys, gotta stay out of the way. Burning your Come here, Frank.
Get this thing.
Get the door. Yeah. Hey, Smooches! Well, Friday. Good enough? That you don't want to... Friday! Come on, baby. Stay. Bug. Bug. Oh, Bug's just following Chris.
Come here, Friday. Friday.
Hi, Mr. Rooster. Hello, Mr. Rooster. Here comes another one. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello, baby, baby, baby. Hello. Yeah, ones that, like, if you don't have room for it. Where'd you put it? Okay. Alright, well, let me call you right back. I'm about to dunk a bird in some boiling water. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Bug had to be with her buddy. On my leg.
Just gonna make a bunch of feathers and shit in the back of the truck.
I won't. Yeah, you wanna cut up a corner? Make a big flat piece for me? Gonna go grab another paper bag. We can use it for garbage. Oh no, we can just roll that up. That's the burner. Hey, he's still warm. You ready? Got it? Yep. Here he goes. Woo! Sorry.
No, I just forgot. Kind of smells like the Tyson plant down the road from where I used to live.
They already cooked the neck.
Ew, it does smell. Hot! Please don't blow away everywhere.
Some wind today.
see, well, I was just saying you can see a little of them, a couple of them. The bugs that birds have on them.
Bugs?
They have, sometimes birds have little,
Mites.
mite type bugs on them.
What do they look like?
They look like, these right here are pieces of, like, the roots to feathers. But, like, you see them cooked right here.
Yeah.
A couple of them. Actually, he's not really bad at all.
He's making that noise already.
Hmm?
Did you hear that noise?
Mm-mm.
We're sucking up that water.
It's stuck.
On my fingers.
I know. You know the chickens have thumbs?
Have thumbs?
Yeah. You want to see it? Right here. Got a little nail and everything.
Let me check. Hang on, I gotta zoom up. Oh, they do.
Mm-hmm.
Gus is pissed.
Who's Gus?
That big Muscovy duck.
Oh. What is his buddy?
So
No.
he's back.
Just when a female starts mouthing off to him or something, he just starts really growling.
He looks kind of cooked.
Little bit. It's the color they take on when you dunk them in the water. He's warm, that's for sure.
Very warm.
He's bruised.
A lot around his wing. He's bruised a lot. On his back.
Woo, watch your step. Maybe you should move that because Chris almost fell over too.
I know.
Why move it? He'll get a laugh out of it every time I do that.
Well, now you should know where it is and you shouldn't back up into it.
Blind person. Just don't move it now.
See, if I move it, then it'll be in a new spot for you to trip on. Shut up.
That's gross.
I know.
Kind of skinny legs.
Mm-hmm.
I said it is almost actually too early to do it. They're not big enough yet.
Well, he'd be a good rotisserie chicken, I said.
Yeah, we're just
They do. Barbara does. Don't necessarily need one.
Should you junk it again just to clean it?
That'll cook the skin,
Oh.
for sure. These goobery things on them, I hate them.
shut up.
What you been doing, Bug?
Hey, Bug. Are you having fun? Buggies, are you having fun?